地元のもう近所のイベントに着きました。車4台で来ました。みんな笑顔で、キムさんはあっちゃんの車に乗ってたんだよね。キムさん。Did the kid get mad at you for driving his car? You always drive his cars, don't you?
I do drive his cars before he ever gets a chance to drive them.
キムさんはあっちゃんのスカイライン。パパは箱スター。アイブンとアイブンジュニアはランボルギーニ。そしてデイビッドは新しい友達のデイビッドが4枚のスカイラインに乗ってもらいました。このイベントについて面白い車がアメ車もある、日本車もある、チューニングされたインフィニティっぽい車もある。ちょっと一周回ろうか。ちっちゃいイベントなんだけどみんな笑顔で楽しんでるようなので、何より本当はもう近くのほら見てください、かっこいいよ。1961年のコールベットだよ。めっちゃいいよ。Can I give you a high five while you're driving? There you go. Beautiful. 全くオリジナルな1961年かなのコルベット。おばさんが乗ってるっていうのはすごくいいんだよね。おしゃれ。これ全くオリジナルっぽい車両です。そして BM も今から出てきます。ナイス。みんな車好きが多いよね、この近所に。ナイスライブ、bro. Have a good day. すごい。じゃあ回りましょうか。かっこいい車あります。アメ車で1970年フラムクレイジーパープル、紫のこの紫が有名なんですよ。モーパーのかっこいい383のエンジンにほらこれがかっこいいですよ。ハウンストゥースの内装にピストルグリップの4速マニュアル車。ピストルグリップ、ほら拳銃のピストルのグリップなんでアメリカだよね。これはかっこいい。当時のオリジナルのバッテリー。
Look at that battery.
Yep, got the original 12-volt battery and the Mopar battery. はい。実は多分ね、Kimさん, take a look at this battery a little closer. This may actually just be a cover for another battery. Do you see it? This could be, unless it's original. Oh no, you're right. It's the whole Mopar battery in case.
It's got it on there. It's the real deal.
You like the shaker hood?
Yeah, I like that shaker head.
シェイクがボンネットでかっこいいよ。Nice. Look at Miata's too.
I saw that.
Miata 2台がある。かっこいい。This one's cool.
The ND? Yeah.
Car, isn't it?
This is the ND, yeah.
A little more shiny.
It's more metallic.
宮田組はキムさんが大好きだよね。You'd fit in with these guys.
That's what I said. If I drove the Miata today, I would have
I'm
been
going to
fine.
introduce you to some Miata friends. You're overflowing with K pride and Miata pride.
There you
too,
go.
Tim. I know it. そしてアメ車といえばこれだろう。
It's so big.
これ。
It's huge.
Is that not the biggest grill?
It is huge.
I don't think. Tim, am I?
No.
I can't even get near. Look at that.
The new Toyota Tundra can compete with that fairly. I don't know.
So exactly. That is a grill. もうアメリカって感じだよね。そしてコルベットアメリカといえばこの
Z06
ね、色がいい。そして何より1957年のシボレーのベレアオープンです。これは色も当時のフィールもクレイガーフィール。若い時にこれがもう一番だったんだよね。Kim, was there anything cooler than Krager wheels back when we were kids?
That is what classified a hot
A
rod.
hot rod was
Exactly.
Krager SS Krager wheels. Just like that. But でもね、この車のすごいところは You know why I love this car? Because of the blue and the gray combination on this car. It is so cool looking. The gray fits in with the fins, with the blue, with the Kragers. Oh yeah! Woo! いいねもう近所のちっちゃい車のイベントでもこんなに盛り上がるんだよね。
I like the gold
勝手
touch.
にいいよね。
The gold touch.
Yeah, gold. Very nice. This is a nice car, man.
Super nice.
テキサス州で1957年のナンバーそのままで走らせることはできるのでかっこいいよね。いい車です。この車初めて見ました。I've never seen this. I've never seen half of these cars before, Kim. That are at
That soft top is unbelievable. It has to be new.
So nice. そしてコルベットとキムさんセットじゃないですか。あら見てキムさん。Look, they even got the Alright, let's give it a shot. Ready? 世界知ってますこのゲーム。Oh. There it is.
Oh, nice! Nice! Dang!
Z! ベアレディ Z パワー
You
だよ
could not have done that again if you tried.
かっこいいじゃない？で、ブラスカナンバー。テキサスのネブラスカ、コーナースカのナンバーで黄色。あ、わかった。ネブラスカといえば、トウモロコシ、コーンが、これ、This is the corn colored Nebraskan sea, kid. Yellow.
It is.
Yellow.
It's awesome.
Cornfields of Nebraska. かっこいいよね。めっちゃいい。260万円的に。あ、ミーカシのcobbled steel no engine. He's turbo powered here. Look
Right.
at that. Got his turbo 2.8, 24280Z probably engine in this car. これは260 ZX なので374の色も全てはかっこいいよね。この車、このインフィニティはかっこいいんじゃないかと思います。青に赤の内装、そしてタイヤ。Tim, did you see those tires in the back?
I did. I saw those tires.
Those are not normal tires.
No, those are not.
Those are not normal.
It's a twin
Ivan, are those normal
it's
tires?
a twin turbo.
That's not a normal engine, is it?
No, it's
either.
No.
Ivan. Oh, wait, I'm gonna do it. Ready? Oh, man.
Hey, that's patent right there.
Let's talk to the owner about this car. Josh, what's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Yeah, good, good.
Dude, first time I've seen your car. This thing is crazy. It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
Thank you.
What is this? What's this color, first of all? 'Cause it's a fantastic color.
Iridium blue. Honestly, I think it's one of my favorite OEM colors. Like,
Unbelievable.
arguably, I'm biased.
Yeah.
Obviously, I
Yeah.
own it, but yeah, it's got like great pearl in it and everything else. I like that.
Look around this way so we talk in front of your car here. It's really good looking, dude. And so tell me, what have you done to this car performance-wise?
Yeah, full bolt on E85. Tires, downpipe, 3-inch exhaust, everything except bigger turbos. So still stock turbo for now. And then, put down 525 to the rear wheels, 555 foot-pounds of torque.
Oh my
And that was
gosh.
on E50, and now I just threw I got a bunch of race ethanol in,
Yeah.
so now it should be closer to the 550 mark.
We may have to go for a ride after
Man.
this, huh? So cool, man. I'm so glad I met you.
Yeah,
Hope
absolutely.
look forward to taking a ride in this
Yeah,
thing
yeah,
with you one day.
absolutely, for sure.
And definitely come check out some of my fleet as
Yeah,
well.
absolutely.
Awesome, man. Thumbs up, brother.
Yeah, awesome.
Whoa. Whoa. Red Alpha. Whoa. Ivan. Oh, man.
approve this.
Oh, my gosh.
The smell of the 85.
Yeah, I can smell it, too. It's organic.
Yeah, vegan.
I pretty much
You're vegan?
I'm vegan.
only 85. Exclusively one ethanol R.
すごい楽しいイベントだったんだよね。タコスもある、いろんな方がいる、初めて知り合った人もいる。すごい楽しかった。また近所の人と車遊びできるもんな。ジャックさんもフロリダから来てくれた、キムさんも来てくれた、アイブンとアイブンジュニアもいる。みんな大きなサムズアップと笑顔でこれから出発です。 帰るんですけど、また近所の人たちとまた会って一緒にやりたいなと思います。Hey, everybody in our community right here, thank you for inviting us to your car show. I'm so sad that I was not able to be here last year, but I'm so glad that I was this year. Awesome cars in our community, awesome people in this community. Thumbs up always. We love Texas. We love America. I love Japan as well. Love to put them all together. And so happy we got to spend this awesome day together. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thumbs up always. And wait a minute, all you people listening in English too. I have an all-English podcast, Steve's POV podcast. We talk about cars, culture, America, Japan, Texas, all kinds of cool stuff. Kim and I, Kim is my co-host. We host this podcast. It's doing awesome. It's #1 in Japan. It's doing really well here in America. I think you'll like it. We talk about a lot of fun stuff. It's available everywhere. Search Steve's POV podcast, Apple, Spotify, wherever you get your podcasts at. Download it, check it out. Please follow, please subscribe, and thumbs up always. Hey, Kim, let's take a nice ride home. Let's go.